morning, everyone. Welcome to week 6, term 3. We hope you have a great weekend, and let's welcome this week with positivity, hope, and love. As you know, this week is a very busy week for PYP 6 students as they are preparing their learning project for the PYP exhibitions that will be presented next week. We also wish all the best for grade 12 students on their mock exam today. Another important event from our younger students is the EY Assembly on Friday this week. We believe it's going to be a great learning celebration. And another highlights of this week is the PYP 5 learning collaboration with PE team, the color walk that will happen on Tuesday, 14th of February in the SIS field and BBC. This is a way to promote peace and a celebration of learning about diversity and conflict. Talking about peace, we are thinking about love. People know that this month is a month of love. But February is not just about Valentines and sweethearts. Instead, it can be a month of self-love, self-care, fostering relationship with your family, your friends, and loving others. We can do lots of things to share our love and kindness. Because when we are kind to others, it not only changes you, it changes the world. Have a great week and happy Valentine's Day!